USA versus UK English. Mail versus post. If you write a letter to your grandma or a card, you could say in the USA, I'm going to mail the letter. However, in the UK, you could say I'm going to post this letter. Holiday versus vacation. In the US, you would say I'm going to take a vacation, which is a break from work. But in the UK, you would say I'm going to go on holiday, or I'm going to take holidays, which is a break from work. Dessert versus pudding. So if you want a little something sweet after your meal, maybe a little cake or like some fruit or something, in the USA you would call that dessert, but in the UK you would say pudding. Oatmeal versus porridge. Oatmeal is something you would eat for breakfast in the USA. In the UK it's the same, but you would call it porridge, so it's kind of like a hot cereal mix. Aubergine versus eggplant. In the US, that long purple vegetable, you would call it an eggplant. However, in the UK, you would call it an aubergine. Sneakers versus trainers. So kind of the athletic shoes that you would wear when you play sports. In the USA, you would call them sneakers. However, in the UK, you would call them trainers. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, if you want to support this channel, please be sure to check out membership options.